Hi, welcome back. I am about to get ready for work, so, well, I just did get ready for work, but I didn't want to do my intro looking hideous. So here I am. I'm about to do a get ready with me, have a chat to you guys about my makeup. So enjoy! So I always start by washing my hands, obviously, and then putting this on my hands, just because at the moment it's winter and they're dry. So I put on my base already. I use the Flawless Color Correcting Primer by Barry M, because I have a pink face and that is supposed to, it says anti-redness on there, and I paired it with the matching foundation, which I always use. It lasts for my work shift, so that's what I need. I'm gonna do my brows next, and I usually use the darkest shade in here because it's way too dark for my cheek. But since it's my second ever video and a special occasion, I'm going to use this. My sister bought it for me, I think my last birthday, and I haven't used it yet. There it is. I got Sad Boy on my lap now, so this is probably gonna be even more difficult. We're gonna try it, aren't we, Bubba? Don, behave. I think my brush is still wet from when I washed it. Oops! I've gone wrong already. Yay! There we go. It's definitely still wet. Look at this boy! You can see out the window, Doddles? He loves looking out the window. He's a curious boy. I've realised recently that I do my eyebrows too long, so I'm trying to remedy that. If you saw them in my last video, they were hideous. I'm sorry. This is gonna suck because there's a dog in the way. I can't see what I'm doing. I can't say no to my dog, that's the problem. Hi, hello, yep, good boy. In case it wasn't obvious, I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to makeup. Probably do everything wrong. I actually consulted with my sister last night, like, I think my highlighter brush is too big. I watch all these YouTubers doing their highlight and they use this piddly little brush. And I showed her my brush and she was like, mine's bigger than that. So I was like, oh, okay. I'll keep using the fat brush, because if you do it, then I don't mind doing it too. Oh my god, ignore the spot, I'm gonna cover that up. I really like that. I don't know whether it's gonna be different when the brush isn't wet, but it looks good. This is why the balm is so expensive, because it looks good. Also, the lighting is probably terrible because it's a snow day. How does that look? Is that good? Do we like? I'm sold. I'm gonna stop using my contour kit for my eyebrows now because that looks great. I'm trying to put my brush away. But yeah. 10 out of 10, would recommend to a friend. Next, I'm gonna go in with this baby. I still can't see what I'm doing. I'm gonna look hideous today. Oh well. Yeah, anyway, this is the MUA Lift and Curl Long Lasting Curl Mascara, and it's vegan, it's cruelty free, and it's only £2 in Superdrug. I got it when I was like super poor. I went from a Soap and Glory mascara to this, and honestly for £2 I have no complaints, and yeah, I would definitely buy this again. I've already got my next mascara in my drawer, and it's a NYX one, but I may just buy this again next time, because why spend more? Especially when you don't know what you're doing. Like, I think I do most of my makeup wrong. It looks okay to me, but I see all these tutorials, no, don't do that. I probably go out into work and people are like, that is a hag. What is she doing? What has she done to her face? Done. I think he wants to get down. 2 secs. Yeah, so now we can speed things up because I don't have a doll on me. Does anyone do the top lashes? I did a photo shoot for my sister's hair salon, Barbara Brown, and I had my makeup done by a makeup student, and she sort of did the top lash like this as well as like that, and I've never seen anyone do that, even though it seems like the obvious thing to do, because when I tilt my eye down and I can see the top of my lash is blonde. So it kind of surprises me that more people don't do it, but given that I am almost at the end of this mascara, it doesn't really work at the moment when I do it anyway. It's snowing again and I have to walk to work. This is the dark side of my face, so I'm probably gonna look like Two-Face from Batman when this is done, because I can see this side of my face perfectly. This side is shrouded in darkness, so I'm probably making it look very bad. Yeah, mascara always confused me when, well, it still does. Like, I've been vegan for 2 years and there never seems to be a budget mascara that I can buy. I know there's a Barry M one that's vegan, but I can never find it. Like, I've looked in Superdrugs and Boots in Bristol, I've looked in Devon where my dad lives, and it's either always out of stock or I'm blind. Could be that I'm blind. I'm terrible at looking for things. But yeah, the woman in Boots helped me to pick out my NYX one. We looked at the ingredients together and she was like, oh, this one's vegan. And I was like, sold, thank you. I'm not fussy when it comes to mascara. But, you know, a good one now and then is a treat. How do I look? Terrible. Okay. Next, we are going to use this, my sweet son. It's the NYX Photogenic Studio Concealer. And it's beautiful. I tend to do under my eyes, down my nose, and over any spots. Down my nose just because my pores are pretty big on my nose. The rest of my face is fine. And then I blend with my beauty blender, which probably needs a wash. To anyone who wears a nose ring, are you supposed to take it out when you're putting makeup on? Because I don't. I just get like a buttload of foundation on it and then wipe it with the clean end of my beauty blender. Next, contour. I mix these two together because I'm pale, but I do want a nice bronzer so that I don't have to use this one. I can't see that. We'll say it's contoured, we'll say it's there. Next, we have a Topshop highlighter. This is the Topshop highlighter in Sunbeam. I really want like a blue tinted highlighter just because, I don't know, I don't like colour. I'm proud of the fact that I'm like deathly pale and I want to look like a snow princess. You know, so that when I've got my grey sort of toned makeup on, it can just tie it all together and I can look cool. I probably wouldn't end up looking cool, but I think it would be cool. So then I sort of blend out my contour a bit by petting it. Blend it with the highlight so it doesn't look stripy. Do it on the other side. Oh, sorry. This is the NYX Lingerie, one of my favourite liquid lipsticks in the shade Bear With Me 2. That's a fun name for your lip shade. The one I wore in my last video was a Jeffree Star one, and it would be one of my favourites, but it comes off really easily. After I finished filming, I went downstairs and I ate, do I look like a ventriloquist right now? I ate some crumpets and I looked in the mirror and it was just my Cupid's bow left. Like, this lasts me for a 4 to 6 hour shift and I don't have to cut it up. I love it though, it's such a beautiful shade. And now that I'm doing YouTube, I have an excuse to wear it more. So that's it. That's my makeup look. Will take me to better lighting and have a look. My cowlick is saying hey. Yeah, she looks fine. Yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this and let me know if you want any more chatty videos. I really enjoyed making it. It felt a lot more relaxed than my last one. And yeah, I will see you next week.